guys, so for this one project, we had to choose a particular template to work with. I did go into the photography template and I chose the Marcusburg template. I like this one because it has a lot of art photography and well, I can just go ahead and work with this template a bit best. I did go ahead and choose to use my photography name, which is Revilius Photography. I chose this name a couple of months ago, actually. And then we can go ahead and go in here, click left. You can go ahead and either stretch it, manage your media, settings. You can go ahead and go into overlapping items and then page. You can go ahead and change your page background as well. So if you didn't want the white, then you can go ahead and choose something else. Let's go ahead and go into media. Of course, I did want to go ahead and use some of my pictures. So I just went ahead and went with my friend Alexandria's picture, which is going to be this one. Then open. Sorry for my dog in the background. Come on, Oreo. Okay, we can go ahead and add this one over to the page. So this is going to be, we can go ahead and delete or edit the image quality. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one so that we can go ahead and stay with this 8. And then we're done. If you scroll down, you can go ahead and see the picture that you chose, of course, which in this case is going to be my friend Alexandra's. I'm going to go ahead and add another one just so that you guys can go ahead and see this again so that I can work a little bit into what I want to do with this website. So upload media. I can go ahead and again go into another picture that I want to use, which is going to be my friend Tommy. Add towards the page. And I'm going to go ahead and delete another one that I'm not too fond of, which is going to be this one. Then we can go ahead and click on done. So there you go. And we have 2 of those photos that I made before. Now another thing that we can go ahead and do with this Wix is go into another page. If you want to, we can go ahead and make another page out of this. For this one, I think they chose to use America. For myself, I'm going to go ahead and make one. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a page, which is going to be strictly for Alexandria. See? Then we can go ahead and add into it by either using page background. We can go ahead and use a page background. I'm going to go ahead and go into image. Go ahead and use the one that we had in the very beginning. So change background. This way we have a whole set of her in the back. Although it's a little bit too dark, so I'm just going to go ahead and change it to another one that I had taken of her before. And I'm going to go ahead and use. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one just because it looks better when it comes to a background picture. So change background. We can go ahead and go back into it because it's a bit too up. So let's go ahead and just drag this down. See. Okay, just give it a moment. I'm gonna go ahead and just break it out from the bottom so go ahead and have a little bit more at the top. That did not work. So let's see, let's go ahead and just try to change this up a bit more. So go to settings, you can go ahead and choose to use the top. And there you go, we have more of Alexandria. And so you can go ahead and see what she looks like. Now let's see, we can go ahead and also go into add, we can go ahead and add any, but I'm going to go ahead and use the same one. We can go ahead and add images. So my image upload, I'm going to go ahead and use this one as one of the pictures that we're going to go ahead and use in here. You can go ahead and drag wherever you would like. So that's one. Go ahead and add another. So add upload picture. I'm going to go ahead and go into upload media again, upload from computer. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And add to page. Of course, we have to go ahead and drag it wherever we want. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. And if you want, you can go ahead and always shrink it. So let's go ahead and make that happen so that we can go ahead and have more footage in the bottom. I'm going to go ahead. Since this one is pretty long, I'm going to go ahead and put this one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put another one on this side. go ahead and put those two right next to each other, and the one on top, of course, you can go ahead and keep it there. So therefore, we can go ahead and have multiple pictures. And so, yeah, we can go ahead and just make this all artsy. Let's see, another thing that we can definitely go ahead and do is go back into add. In here, one of the things that we're able to do, if we wanted to, is add some music. So let's just go ahead and say that we wanted to add an artist or add some music in the bottom. We can go ahead and put this, let's just go ahead and say we're using Good Vibes. So just give me a moment. Well, yeah, we can go ahead and put it around here. Like right here. I'll just play it. Let's see. Of course, there are definitely a lot of really cool things that we can go ahead and do. Since this one is not so, since this one is kind of bigger than what we would want, so I'm going to go ahead and add this strip. Delete this one, and just go ahead and put it in the bottom. So that way we can go ahead and just play whatever we want, and of course not have to see like the whole page. Now, let's see. Another thing that we are able to do would be add videos, add a blog, add members. We are able to do a lot of really cool things with this, but yeah, I mean, for my page, this is exactly what I'm going to go ahead and start up with. Just making my menu, which is going to be making my work. That'll be the Brilliant Photography. And then I'm going to go ahead and use Alexandria, and of course make different albums for the work that I've done. I'm going to go ahead and put in my name, my info, and type in exactly what I am all about, and you know what passions me. And I'm going to go ahead and also go into my prints. Go ahead and let you guys see what prints we have, what prints I've done before. So yeah, I mean, definitely if you are interested to sticking around